Hey, did you know that it's Environment Day today?
I heard we should do something special to celebrate it.
Yeah, I was thinking we could do something meaningful.
How about planting a tree? It's a great way to give back to the planet.
That's a fantastic idea. Trees help reduce air pollution.
Exactly. And it's a symbol of our commitment to preserving the planet for the coming generations.
How about we gather some of our friends and organize a tree planting event?
Sounds like a great idea. Let's make positive impact together.
Yes, agreed. Together, we can create a more greener and healthier future for all. Let this tree remind us of the power that we hold to create a positive impact on the planet.
Let's do things, big or small, to help the environment and to encourage people to do the same.